Pretty cool, huh? To have the whole world see you like that. The amazing Spider-Man. I wish I was like him.
I like to think that Spider-Man gives people hope.
I wish I was like him. Fine, I'll do it myself.
What is that?
Freeze! Yo, Sparkles!
You don't remember me?
Of course I remember you. You're my eyes and ears. What's your name again? Oh, I do. I know it. Don't tell me.
It's Max.
Is it Max?
Yes. How could you forget me? You lied to me.
No, I'm trying to help you. Let me help you.
Peter Parker, Harry Osborn. You're gonna want to see this. Oscorp had you under surveillance. Why? Isn't that the question of the day?
We have plans for you, Peter Parker.
What is all this?
The future.
We literally can change the world.
Let's go catch a spider.
Nothing is what I thought it was.
This is bigger than you, Peter.